It was a calm morning, until the city began to shake violently. Buildings were falling, people were running in panic, and dust filled the air. In the middle of the chaos stood a brave white dog. His name was Tommy. Tommy saw a little girl trapped under a broken wall. While everyone was afraid to go near, Tommy rushed in without hesitation. He dug through the rubble with his paws and pulled the girl to safety. When the quake finally stopped, everyone realized a dog had saved a human life. From that day on, Tommy became the city's hero, a symbol of courage and love.